Okay, so the prosperity circle is really about creating a belief, a vision, a goal for anything in your life and working it through a plan, on a set of steps to completion until you've achieved it. I have used this in every aspect of my life, from helping my daughter to earn her black belt in karate, to earning the trip, to host coaching. It really affects every single part of personal, business, and life. So it really starts with the belief, the vision, the goal. What is your goal for yourself? What is your goal for your business? I'm going to use my daughter and her karate black belt as the example as we work through this. So she's 10, and she set this goal when she was 5 that she wanted to earn her black belt. She has slowly worked her way through the ranks, and a year ago earned her high brown belt and said, okay, November of next year, I will earn my black belt. And she set that goal. It was on the back burner for about the first 6 months. And she started saying, okay, it's my time. I'm going to do this in November. They only do the tests twice a year, so I am going to do this in November. She started sharing that with me, with her father, with her karate coaches, with her teachers, with her friends, and really set this vision for herself and then began to socialize it. And this is, I think, a part that a lot of us powers tend to skip over very easily, because this is the part that we're just telling people. We are creating the vision in other people's heads as well, and letting people know. And that's the part that, to me, I don't need to do that. I just need to take care of it and do it myself, stay laser focused. So I feel like this is the part that's hardest. But this is what she was doing when she is saying, Mommy, I'm picturing myself with Master B, my teacher, putting my black belt around my waist. And this is when she's writing reports about it at school. And when she's telling her friends, I'm not going to Michigan with Mommy to go to a football game this weekend because I can't miss my Saturday black belt training class. So she's socializing it. She's letting other people know so that we are there to support her when she starts to get frustrated, when she starts to lose her way, when she starts to say, I don't want to get up and go running at 7 o'clock in the morning. And then I sat down with her and I said, okay, so what's your plan? What do we need to achieve in order to hit this goal? And she needs to go to 3 classes a week, over 3 hours a week at the studio. She needs to be able to run 2 miles in 18 minutes. She needs to be able to do 50 sit-ups and 50 push-ups. She needs to know all the curriculum, and she needs to stand up in front of a group of about 50 or 60 parents and give a presentation about what earning her black belt means to her. So there's really a lot involved. And so to help her break this down, we sit down every Sunday with a tracker, and we say, what are you going to do this week? On Monday, you have class. Are you also going to practice? Are you also going to go for a run? Are you also going to do your push-ups and your sit-ups? And she writes down by day what her goal is for the day in working toward this larger goal. And then every night, she updates it. I didn't do 50 push-ups and 50 sit-ups. I only got to 30 and I collapsed. No problem. You write down that you did 30. I was going to run 2 miles today. I only ran a mile. No problem. I was going to only run 1 mile. I ran 2. So she updates her plan each week and then can modify it as she goes. And then we kind of sit down on Sunday and we say, okay, so what worked and what didn't? When did we actually find that we had time to do a little bit more toward your black belt? And when did we find that you had too much homework or something else happened? What can we adjust in your plan accordingly? And she does this with me, and she does this with her karate teacher as well each week to figure out how she's going to reach this goal. So that's using that as an example. Is that what you're looking for? Okay.
Awesome.
Great.